The Slab Cart is the stone industry's first installation cart that utilizes an over-the-top clapping platform designed to safely secure a slab from above, while allowing crews to set slabs directly into position with no lifting or sliding required. The Slab Cart offers dual telescopic extensions, making cart length adjustable to safely handle the largest stone slabs that are being manufactured today. Dual push-button electric lifts function independently from each other, giving the ability to level a load while navigating inclines or around obstacles. The battery-operated lifts also reach high enough to easily clear or set bar tops. The unobstructed 360-degree tilt rotation and balanced load control allows crews to effortlessly rotate a slab and lock into any position. This is particularly useful when navigating through narrow passageways or around corners. For more information and to see SlabCart's many other industry-leading features, be sure to check out our website and customer gallery. Invest in your business and the longevity of your crew today.